Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your health. Friends, my today's video is unique and on your massive demand that all of you have been requesting me to share some beautiful, simple, easy to make and creative ideas that could be specifically made on boatneck neckline patterns. So here I am with you along with the stylish and trendy patterns of boatneck hand embroidery ideas. Friends, you can use these very beautiful boatneck embroidery patterns in the form of boatneck embroidery, in the form of necklace style embroidery, in the form of yokes for frocks as well, for gowns, for maxis, for kalidar suits as well, for full length body suits as well, and many more other creativities also. The beauty and creativity of very beautiful and easy to make boatneck neckline is that you can make these for every age group persons, and especially like Ramzan special when we are fasting whole day and we need some soft, reliable, comfortable and all day wearable comfy clothes. Then all of these patterns are simple, easy to make and lightweight, so a person could stay comfy and stylish by making these patterns onto their dress or kurti or shirts as well. You can pair up these very beautiful necklines onto your plain fabric, onto your dark plain fabric, onto your light plain fabrics, onto printed fabrics as well. So absolutely favorable cool and light colors for summer, some dark themes for midsummer, for casual wears. In other words, the variety is hybrid approach base, that is contains a mix of light, dark, bright and mid-range colors to make comfortable for every type of hand embroidery artist. And all of these beautiful design ideas are easy to make, almost based on 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches, so that every hand embroidery beginner can also make these creative patterns. So with this, allow me to leave. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share and leave comments below, and stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, stay blessed, be happy